A new dawn, printing our future homes. Imagine waking up to a world where homes are not built brick by brick, but printed layer by layer. This is the dawn of a new era in construction. The way we build is changing. Technology fuels this evolution. From the use of advanced machinery to the integration of digital designs, the construction industry is undergoing a significant transformation. One innovation stands out: 3D printed homes. This groundbreaking technology is reshaping our approach to building, offering new possibilities and efficiencies. Imagine houses materializing before your eyes, layer by layer. Each layer is precisely placed, creating a structure that is both strong and sustainable. This is no longer science fiction. It's becoming reality. Around the world, 3D printed homes are being constructed, showcasing the potential of this innovative technology. This technology has the potential to revolutionize construction. It offers a new way to think about building, one that is more efficient and environmentally friendly. What is driving this change? Traditional construction has limitations. It is often slow, costly, and labor-intensive, with significant environmental impacts. It's time-consuming, labor-intensive, and generates significant waste. Traditional methods can be inefficient, leading to delays and increased costs. Printed homes offer a solution. They are built faster, with less waste, and can be customized to meet specific needs and preferences. They promise faster construction times, reduced waste, and greater design flexibility. The process is fascinating. Imagine the possibilities for unique architectural designs and sustainable living. Large-scale 3D printers, guided by digital designs, meticulously lay down layers of a special concrete mix. This mix is designed to be strong and durable, ensuring the longevity of the structure. These layers solidify, one on top of another, to form walls, and eventually entire houses. The precision of the process ensures that each layer is perfectly aligned, creating a seamless and sturdy structure. This revolutionary approach is changing how we perceive and build homes. It opens up new possibilities for affordable housing, sustainable living, and innovative design. The future of construction is here, and it is being printed one layer at a time.
Section 2. Layer by layer. The mechanics of 3D house printing. The magic of 3D house printing lies in its simplicity. It all starts with a digital blueprint. This blueprint is fed into a computer-aided design, or CAD, software. The software divides the design into hundreds, even thousands of thin layers. This digital information is then transmitted to the 3D printer. The printer, often mounted on a robotic arm, comes equipped with a nozzle. This nozzle extrudes a special concrete mixture, following the precise instructions from the CAD software. Layer by layer, the house takes shape. The printer deposits the concrete mix along predetermined paths, building walls, doorways, and even intricate architectural details. This process continues layer upon layer until the structure is complete.
Section 3. Concrete evolution, the backbone of printed structures. Concrete, a staple in traditional construction, gets a modern makeover in 3D printing. The concrete used in printed homes is not your ordinary mix. It's a highly specialized concoction. This special concrete mixture, often called printable concrete or geopolymer, is engineered for printability and strength. It's formulated to flow easily through the printer nozzle, yet solidify quickly to maintain its shape. The composition of printable concrete can vary. Common ingredients include cement, sand, fly ash, a byproduct of coal combustion, and admixtures. These admixtures improve the concrete's workability, strength, and drying time, crucial factors for successful 3D printing.
Section 4. Beyond concrete, exploring alternative printing materials. While concrete reigns supreme in 3D house printing, it's not the only contender. Researchers and companies are exploring a range of alternative materials. These materials offer unique properties and open up new design possibilities. One promising alternative is bioplastic. Derived from renewable resources like plants, bioplastics offer a sustainable alternative to traditional plastics. Imagine printing homes from materials that are not only durable, but also biodegradable. Another intriguing option is earth-based mixtures. Researchers are experimenting with using local soil, clay, and other natural fibers to create printable mixtures. This approach promotes sustainability and reduces reliance on manufactured materials. The possibilities are endless.
Section 5. Efficiency redefined. Time, labor, and waste reduction. Time is money, especially in construction. 3D printing significantly accelerates the building process. While traditional construction can take months, even years to complete, printed homes can be erected in a fraction of the time. This speed is achieved through automation. The 3D printer does the heavy lifting, literally. It precisely deposits material, reducing the need for manual labor. This reduces labor costs and minimizes the risk of human error. Waste reduction is another major advantage. Traditional construction generates a significant amount of waste. 3D printing, with its precise material deposition, minimizes waste, making it a more environmentally friendly option.
Section 6. Greener habitats, the sustainable side of printed homes. Sustainability is no longer optional, it's imperative. 3D printed homes align with this imperative. They offer several environmental benefits over traditional construction methods. Reduced waste is a key advantage. 3D printing minimizes material waste during construction. Additionally, some printed homes utilize recycled or sustainable materials, further reducing their environmental footprint. The energy efficiency of printed homes is remarkable. The concrete walls, often printed with intricate internal structures, provide excellent insulation. This reduces the need for heating and cooling, lowering energy consumption.
Section 7. Design unbound, pushing architectural boundaries. 3D printing liberates architects and designers. It empowers them to break free from the constraints of traditional construction methods. Complex curves, intricate facades, and organic shapes, once considered challenging or impossible, become achievable. This design freedom opens up a world of possibilities. Architects can create houses that mimic nature's forms, with flowing lines and unique geometries. Each house can be customized to the homeowner's preferences, reflecting their individual style. This technology allows for the integration of functional and aesthetic elements seamlessly. Walls can be printed with built-in shelves, seating, or even planters. The result is a harmonious blend of form and function.
Section 8. Case in point printed homes around the world. The concept of printed homes has moved from the realm of theory to tangible reality. Around the world, examples of these innovative structures are emerging. Each project pushes the boundaries of what's possible. In the Netherlands, a company completed the first habitable 3D printed concrete house. This milestone marked a significant step forward in proving the viability of this technology. The house, with its unique design and sustainable features, captured global attention. In Mexico, a company used 3D printing to construct a community of affordable homes. This project addressed a critical need for safe and affordable housing. The printed homes provided families with a durable and sustainable solution.
Section 9. A home for everyone, addressing housing shortages. The world faces a housing crisis. Millions lack access to safe, affordable housing. 3D printing offers a potential solution. Its speed, efficiency, and affordability make it ideal for addressing this global challenge. Imagine being able to print homes on demand, using locally sourced materials. This could revolutionize disaster relief efforts, providing shelter to those who have lost their homes due to natural disasters or conflict. The affordability of printed homes is particularly appealing. The reduced labor and material costs make it possible to construct homes at a fraction of the cost of traditional methods. This could make homeownership a reality for many who previously thought it unattainable.
Section 10. The Horizon of Possibilities. Future Trends in Printed Homes. The future of printed homes is brimming with possibilities. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications and groundbreaking advancements. Imagine 3D printers constructing entire buildings, from low-income housing to skyscrapers. Picture homes printed with integrated smart technologies, self-healing walls, and adaptable designs that can change over time. The possibilities are limited only by our imagination. As we continue to explore the potential of this transformative technology, we're likely to witness a paradigm shift in how we design, construct, and experience our built environment.